talking about the genetically modified RNA retrovirus that made people go crazy, right? From that show, Dune Prophecy. And maybe, who knows, if they're spraying stuff like that in the air, all these aerosols going down. So that mixed with the magic side of it all.
With one of the darkest of all magics.
What kind of magic?
A way of extending life indefinitely. A horrible and strange kind of immortality. The ancient and disturbing practice of self-eating.
Self-eating. Sounds kind of like a zombie. I don't know. Make of it what you will. But that along with some kind of 6G, 7G signal, military signal, to activate it all. Who knows? But I just thought that was just interesting there, and funny. I found it the next day after posting that video. Well, not the next day, but in the same week, let's say. There we go. So, clear that Morgellons out of you, and with magnets, electromagnetism, yeah, you need, like, there was a guy, I don't know where he disappeared to, but he was like a doctor that was helping people. He had a website, it was called morgellonscure.com, and then that site got taken down, I don't know. But those nanofibers, they're electrical in nature, and they spread throughout your body, and they can be, like, if there's a constant signal, or maybe just a shock wave to electrify your body after you're dead, those fibers will be the ones that reanimate your body, along with the whole RNA retrovirus and the dark magic and all that craziness. So, who knows, bro? Anything is possible if you can think it truly, in one reality or another, where it's just in our mind consciousness or in the physical. So, somewhere, somehow, zombies are real. Besides the ones on their phone always looking down and always getting, then they wonder why they get hit by electric scooters or something like that. And they say it was their fault, but it was really the person on their phone not paying attention to what they're doing. So yeah, watch out for exploding scooters and spraying drones and Merkabas. Some of those orbs of light people are seeing, those could be personal Merkabas, like of just one-dimensional beings floating around, besides the actual craft, or a group of them, and then they spread out. Who knows? It's a lot of stuff out there. It's not just one type of being, just like there's not just one type of animal or insect or race or species. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring this clip to your attention. The zombies, they're out there.